You wake up tired. Your body itches for no reason. Dreams that feel like warnings. You visit your doctor and he says there's nothing wrong with you. But you feel there's something wrong. What if your body is the only language your ancestors have left? And you have been ignoring every messages. The world call it stress. But our ancestors call it something far more than dangerous. In our ancestral tradition, the body is not just a flesh, it is a receiver. When the ancestors are not happy with you, they do not send letters. Rather, they speak through your body first. Now listen carefully. These are the 5 signs your ancestors are angry with you. Sign number 1. You wake up and find scratches or marks all over your body. And that marks were not there when you were going to sleep. You do not hit anything and nobody touches you. In our tradition, this is the ancestor pressing on your body while you sleep. They are trying to get your attention. If you ignore it, the marks will keep coming and they will get deeper. Sign number 2. You keep seeing old people in your dreams. People you recognize. People you have never met. They stare at you. They speak, but you cannot hear them. Or they turn their back to you. This is not just a dream. In our tradition, when the elders appear in your sleep repeatedly, they are delivering a message you refuse to hear whilst awake. If you have experienced even one of these signs, do not scroll away. At the end of this video, I will give you the exact ritual to calm your ancestors and restore alignment. But you need to hear all 5 signs first, because the last one is the most dangerous one. Sign number 3. Sudden illness with no medical cause. You fall sick. You go to the hospital. The test come back clean. The doctor says you are fine. But you are not fine. The hospital treats the body. The ancestors treat the roots. When illnesses has no medical causes, it is often a spiritual cause. The ancestors are blocking something in your life until you pay attention. In our tradition, the right side of your body is the spiritual side. It is where the ancestors sit. If you keep having pain on your right side, or your shoulders, your ribs, your hips, and no doctor can explain it, this is the ancestors present on the exact place where your connection to them lives. Sign number 5. This is the final sign and the most urgent. You wake up before sunrise and your ears keep ringing. Not pain, not noise, but a deep like someone is calling your name but you cannot hear it clearly. In our tradition, dawn is when the spiritual world meets the physical world. If your ears ring at dawn, the ancestors are calling you. And if you keep ignoring that call, if your ears ring at dawn, your ancestors are calling you. And if you keep ignoring that call, they will stop calling and start acting. Most people ignore these signs until the ancestors stop warning and start acting. That is when things break. Your businesses, your health, your relationship, and you wonder why nothing works anymore. You don't have to reach that point. I'm going to give you a ritual. Water, water. I have water in this. Okay. Salt. The solid salt. Adan salt. I have it here. I have my alligator pepper. If you don't have it, you can watch the video. Then when you have it, then you do it. This ritual is going to last for 7 days. So every morning, before the sun rises, first take your clean water. Then add more salt into the water. Salt is ancient purifier. Our ancestors use it to remove what does not belong in our body. Then the second is you take 7 seeds of the alligator pepper. 7 seeds of the alligator pepper into your left hand. Into your left hand, you take 7 seeds of it. This time around, you speak the names of your lineage, your grandmother, your grandparents, the ones who came before you. Call them by their name. Now, drink the water with the salt. Then put the 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. You begin to chew it. As you are chewing it, your prayer, your intentions. The reason you chew the alligator pepper is to boost your tank with positive energy. So every word you speak clearly becomes powerful. When you are done chewing, swallow the seed. Do this for 7 consecutive mornings. The ancestors hear the one who calls them by their name. The salt removes the blockages, and the atakwi or the alligator pepper gives your words power. So you chew them. You chew the alligator pepper, then you begin to pray. Say your intentions. The things that are bothering you, say it. Then the body never lies. The ancestors never forget. They warned you. Now you know. If you feel this energy today, comment below. Share this with someone whose body has been speaking. They need to hear this. Subscribe, like, and comment to African Ancestral Wisdom. Work with Osibisaba. I'm giddy. It's